is up, you guys? So, got a little treat. Been wanting this gun for a long time. Always looked at it in gun stores. Held it. I don't know how many times I've held this gun. And finally found one that was used and at a good price. And just happened to be on a day that my wife was in a good mood and decided to let me have it. So, there it is. Isn't she beautiful? So this is a Canik TTI Combat, 9mm. Basically, we went into this gun store. They had the version of this that wasn't the TTI Combat. And I looked at it, it had the Optic, and it was a good price. And so I got it out, and I was holding it and stuff, and I was telling the little gun guy, the gun broker, gun salesman guy, that I really wanted a TTI Combat. And he's like, oh. So he goes off and comes back, and he has his case, and he pulls his TTI Combat out. So it's used, but I don't even think they shot one round through this thing. It's like brand new. And it's like, dang. And it was a couple hundred more than the one I was looking at. And so asked the wife. Wife said yes. And so I took it home. Really, really, really happy I got this. It's hard to explain all the things that Taran Tactical did to this gun. As y'all know, Taran Tactical is the ones that built the ones for John Wick and all the other movies. They're just sweet. These guys make some awesome guns. So, probably a lot more on this than what I know about. I've watched a bunch of videos before I even owned it because I was really wanting one. And so I'll do the best I can with doing a little review on it. I'm sure there's other videos out there of people that know exactly what goes into these guns. But as far as I know, in the hand, it feels great. Love the color, that burnt bronze. It's kind of what turned me onto it. Although, I did see videos coming out that they came out with the TTI Combat Smoke version, which is a really pretty one too. Would look really nice on my wall next to this one. We'll talk about that one later. Don't want the wife to choke me out. So, anyway, when I got this gun, it didn't have an optic on it, and it didn't have the flashlight. So I put the flashlight on it, picked me up one of these Holosuns, and threw it on there. It's a lot different than what I know. A lot of these come with a different optic. I think it's actually a Canik optic, but this one didn't. So I just went ahead and bought this one, and it looks like it's going to work out pretty good. I haven't shot her yet, but just looking at it and feeling it. This thing came with 2 back straps, or 3 back straps. The one that's on here and 2 more, so you can, get her a good grip. It's got a nice mag well on her. It's really easy to load up. What's cool about this is she's empty. Other than that, what's cool about it is it's got the ambidextrous slide catches. So if you're a lefty, you can still shoot this gun, which is kind of cool. As far as the mag release, it also goes all the way through, and if you're a lefty, it'd have the mag release there for you as well, I guess. I don't know how many of y'all out there are lefties, but I'm sure there's some out there. I like the trigger guard, how they have it nice and carved out, so that usually I do this on all my guns that I got because it makes it feel better. It's just not square and on your hand. But just the layout of how you can press this gun in your hand, it just feels good. As far as everything else, I love the serrations on this slide. They got a lot of serration up in here, and then the cuts on the slide are really nice. It's got the compensator on the front. Watched a couple videos on that. A lot of people say, it works. It's not awesome, but it works, which is better than nothing. I like that. Then the aftermarket twisted barrel on there. Feels good. As far as the trigger in this thing, it's got what I like. I like the flat face triggers. So my finger seems to want to wander over one way or the other, and I usually throw my rounds one way or the other, but a nice flat face trigger like this thing has on it feels good. Really crisp. I mean, that was what turned me on with the Canik, is just, I'm a Glock guy, But the way this trigger feels, I cannot wait to shoot this gun. I haven't shot it yet. I hate that. But yeah, she just feels so good. I like that it has the front night sight on it, and that the sights are a little bit higher so that if the battery goes out in my RMR, I can still see through all the way, and she's still functionable. So I like that. Other than that, the case it came in, I mean, these guys, the TTI Combat, look at this thing. It's huge. So what's cool is when you get these things, it's got your cool plate up there. It talks about Taran Tactical. I think those guys, I've watched a lot of videos on their builds, and boy, they make some cool stuff. Of course, I'm a John Wick fan. Who isn't? That's into pistols and stuff. They did a really good job with this one. It'll come with a, what is this, 20 round mag extended, and then it comes stock with an 18, which is cool. Comes with this little baby, this little pea shooter. Actually slide this off and you can dump this out, and it's got all your screws and tools and stuff to work on the gun. Of course, it comes with 2 back straps, and then it's got your optic plates. So this thing came with 3 different optic plates, which I thought was kind of cool, because you know, with me buying that other one, I could have pretty much bought any optic I wanted, and it's got plate here, and then another one over here. This is cut out for your RMR if you wanted to put your RMR up here, or you can take this piece out to put your RMR. Unfortunately, I put that one in and it doesn't fit this. I think they had the Canik RMR that they were thinking it was going to be on, but would have been cool if it would have fit. I might cut it later, or I might actually buy a Canik one for it. But you can take all these little foam pieces out. It's got another spot here for another mag if I wanted to put one side by side, which I'm going to order some in the future. And lift this up. What else it comes with is a nice holster, which I can't use now because I put the light on it. It's got your tools for cleaning the gun, which is really cool, I thought. So it's got all your cleaning tools up here. Come over here, it's got another spring that you could put in it. I believe it's for, you know, if you run the different ammo, lighter ammo, you can put the spring in if it's not firing right. Don't quote me on that, that's just what I watched on YouTube. And then it's got this cool little medallion here, which would basically be like your John Wick coin. That's what I would call it. But isn't that cool? I thought that was neat that they threw that in. Then you got your tool, of course, reloader. I mean, they threw just about everything you need in this thing. I thought that was really neat. So basically, when we broke this out, you know, they pulled the gun out of this case, and they're like, wow, look at all them goodies. It's just an added bonus when you're buying something. You know, you get more stuff with it. I thought that was cool. So anyway, we brought her home. Said I haven't shot it yet. I plan on coming out here really soon and putting some rounds through it, a lot of rounds through it, and I just feel like it's going to be probably one of the best pistols I have so far for the money. I mean, you usually pick these up for, you know, 1,100, 1,000. That's usually what I see them for, and got this one lower than that. So I was pretty happy. But as far as the price on them, I think $1,000 is well worth it for this, because Taran Tactical just did a beautiful job with it. And I think it's going to shoot smooth as butter. It should be a nice gun. So later on, we'll go ahead and get out on the range with it. And I'll shoot a video and tell you what I think about it. You know, I'm not no huge weapons expert, but you know, if it makes me shoot good, then it's got to say something. But anyway, there it is. I love it. It's an awesome gun. I decided to show it to you guys real quick. Pretty proud of it. So, y'all be careful out there. I'm going to go ahead and put this one to the rest, and we'll see you on the next one.
Wake up.